The garden at the school has been here for a few years now, and about 2012 we approached the principal and asked him whether we could rebirth the veggie garden. We started at the front section of the garden, was where the old garden was, and once we sort of had come up with a plan with the students, we then went about scrounging some recycled tin and a bit of timber, and I suppose the first garden was born with the soil and manure, and then we started growing things. I suppose we started off with the front garden and it grew to the back garden, and then we looked at trying to get a bit more sustainable through the school, and we got some chooks as well, and that helped with getting rid of some of the scraps from the kids. Of course the kids then got involved with looking after the chooks, which taught them a bit of animal husbandry and a bit of responsibility, making sure they had water and food. And the eggs from the chooks go back in through the kitchen at the school for the kids to use in their cooking program.
The general gist of a Tuesday will be to split the class into two. Half the students will come into the garden and do the gardening program, and the other half will go into the kitchen with another parent help and a teacher, and they'll prepare some seasonal produce. So there's generally no proteins or meats in there, and it's all about teaching the children how to prepare and eat something that's insanely fresh and different, something that they might not have eaten before.
To grow good veggies you need lots of water, and we started off with a small tank and then hooked up all the school gutters to that tank, and then once we got the first tank full we looked at a second tank, and through grants and some help from CBH we managed to get a third water tank, which of course is the biggest of all our tanks. That one's 170,000 litres, and that made a total capacity of about 270,000 litres.
The CBH Grassroots Fund application was extremely friendly and simple process. Like, I was surprised at how easy it was.
Without CBH support we wouldn't have the sustainability water that we have on site today.